Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be making vegetarian enchiladas and cleaning up my kitchen. First I heat up some vegetable oil and I'm going to lightly fry some corn tortillas until they're soft. I drain them on some paper towels so that they're not overly greasy. I prefer to use a green enchilada sauce, but you can use any sauce you like. I'm filling the tortillas with either cheese, vegetarian refried beans, or both, and then I roll them up and stack them into this pan that I have sprayed lightly with cooking spray. Then I cover them with more enchilada sauce and more cheese, and I will bake them in a 350-degree oven, uncovered, until they are heated through and the cheese is brown. This takes probably 20-25 minutes, but everybody's oven is different, and you are going to want to check these occasionally to make sure you are not burning them. Now I will clean up while they finish off in the oven. Now I will wipe down my counters using my Mrs. Meyer's all-purpose spray. This is in the radish scent. This is the only scent I like of the Mrs. Meyer's product. And the radish scent, I believe, is seasonal because I can't get it all the time. So it's more like a special treat when I find it at the store. And I happened to also find the hand soap while I was there, so I picked that up too. I usually only use paper towels for cleaning up things like oil or grease, and also my son is allergic to eggs and my daughter is allergic to milk, so any of those messes will also be cleaned up with paper towels. Now I'm going to make some sunny side up eggs to go over the top of the enchiladas. I'll add a little bit of water to make sure that the egg whites cook all the way through. And I forgot to season my large cast iron the last time I cooked, so I will use that as a lid. I'm also going to rinse and chop up some cilantro and some sweet onion to put over the top of the enchiladas as well. You'll also see that I completely destroy these enchiladas trying to get them onto the plate. It happens, but nothing a little cleanup and some extra cheese won't hide. Now I'm putting away my hand-washed dishes. I used my air fryer earlier to make a separate dinner for the kids. Since my daughter is allergic to milk and my son is allergic to eggs, these enchiladas aren't really made for them. I usually find myself making them their own meals most of the time anyways, so it's not usually a big deal. These bins here I got from the Dollar Tree, and I just love them. They have little rubber feet that keep them in place. If you're wondering why I have so many bottle brushes, it's because my son's egg allergy and my fiance's tree nut allergies are very serious. So I need to make sure that the items that we use stay as allergen free as I can make them. This is also why you will see me hand wash all of my dishes before they go into the dishwasher. Yeah, mom life. Specifically, allergy mom life. Also, when we moved in, the silverware basket from the dishwasher was missing, so I will also hand wash all of my silverware as well, which isn't too terrible since I hand wash everything anyways. I'll quickly hand dry things I've just washed, and I will scrub out my sink with this scrub brush that I got from IKEA. I love how convenient the suction cup on the bottom is. I will then go over my sink with a magic eraser just to make sure I got off everything that is going to come off of this sink. Since I live in an apartment, the cabinets, sink, countertops, and flooring are all originally from the 70s when the apartments were built. But when we moved in, we were more interested in the amazing school district, so we made the trade-off. Now I'm also going to refill my dish wand with my 7th generation free and clear dish soap. This is my absolutely favorite soap to use. I'm also going to use my 7th generation all-purpose spray to give my countertops and my stovetop a deep clean. Now I'm gonna sweep and mop my kitchen floor. Most of my apartment is carpeted, so I like to buy my Lysol from the Dollar Tree. A small bottle will last me a month or more, and I like the cherry blossom pomegranate scent. A lot of people wonder how long my hair really is, and there you go. These dark spots on the linoleum were here when we moved in, and I have no idea what they are from. And I have tried everything I can think of, and I cannot get rid of them. So if you guys have any tips or tricks to get this ugly floor clean, please let me know. I hate rugs in the kitchen, but if I can't get rid of these stains, I might just have to cover them up with a big rug. I hope you enjoyed this video, and go ahead and give it a thumbs up if you'd like to see more cleaning videos like this. Also, don't forget to subscribe. I try and post at least 2 new videos every week. Thanks for watching.